CannyBot is a smart toy robot that brings the magic of play back into the real world. It can be controlled and programmed from a phone or a tablet and used in a large number of play scenarios. During a racing game, CannyBot behaves like a smart slot car. You only have to control the speed while it automatically sticks to the lane. It's even clever enough to find its way back if you happen to come off. You can also use CannyBots for other exciting game scenarios, like sumo wrestling, jousting, or puzzle solving. There is a dedicated app and track design for each game. Print the tracks at home or use the large format tracks that we supply. But why not create a massive track right in your living room using ordinary black tape? Imagine the play possibilities! Playing with CannyBots is an interactive social experience that brings friends and family together. We designed CannyBots as a construction kit that can be easily assembled at home. This gives kids a practical insight into how a functional robot is designed and built. The build instructions are beautifully illustrated and laid out in great detail. Use the high-quality vinyl stickers provided to personalize your CannyBot. It's an incredibly rewarding experience for kids to see their creation come to life. Now, what is play without a bit of learning? Basic understanding of programming has become an essential skill today, but it's not easy to get kids started on programming. To help kids take their first steps, we created a simple and intuitive app called CannyTalk. It's a syntax-free programming interface that works just like a friendly chat tool. The text-based interface makes it easy for kids to progress to more serious programming languages like Python or Arduino. It would be a shame not to make CannyBot 3D printable, given that your kids may already have access to 3D printing at school or a local library. Print CannyBot shells in vibrant colours or even customise the design using free, easy-to-use CAD software from Autodesk. Printing a CannyBot is one of the best 3D printing projects that you can do with your kids. CannyBot is a fun, hackable toy. Built by kids, it introduces them to programming and leads them to the exciting world of 3D printing and robotics.
This is the Handy Case. This is the firstborn of a generation that will completely revolutionize the handheld device. The Handy Case connects directly to the back of an iPad Air, enabling you to interact with your iPad from the back panel using all of your fingers. So you can actually see your hands through the iPad. Now you can see, tap, swipe, all on-screen objects without obscuring the screen with your hands. The major obstacle with operating from the back panel is that you can't see your hands. So we'd done some research on that, and we'd found that people actually had tried to add a camera to the back panel, or they tried to use lasers or several other methods, but the mobile environment's actually very complicated. It needs to be able to work in almost any lighting conditions, like extreme sunlight when you're at the beach, or complete darkness when you're at home in bed. It needed to be 100% safe for the human body, and not to mention it's a mobile device, so it has limited battery life. All of these things were very complicated obstacles. So the concept was actually born in early 2010 with the release of the very first iPad.
My name is Tang Luo, founder of Handscape Incorporated. That was early 2010 when the first iPad came to the market. Immediately I feel it's heavy in my hand, and when I try to select something using my two thumbs, I feel they are too short and I have to use other fingers to do the selection. That day I played some tennis, so when I flip my hand, immediately I feel my wrist hurts. I start to think, why I have to use these two clumsy thumbs to do the selection while leaving all the other smart fingers just for the holding job? I'm already having all these touch points. So I started working on it immediately.
So now we actually have the very first pre-production model for the iPad Air, and it's ready to go. And it's exciting. It's very exciting because we have really revolutionized the mobile device experience. As soon as the co-founders had joined forces, we had immediately started gaining momentum. We had made the top 10 most interesting technology list in CES 2014. We made Forbes News CES 2015, and then we won the most prestigious Startup 21 competition. And you know, that's really why we're here today. So we've always really received an excited welcome from the tech community. And I think at every single convention we have really wowed the audience just by showing them what the HandyCase can actually do. And you know, it's everybody, from the most skilled developers to the general audience. I mean, every single person really has that enthusiastic, excited energy whenever they hold the HandyCase for the first time.
My name is Kingsley Chen. As a student and a teenager, music plays a big part in my life. As with most teenagers, I tend to listen to my music on the louder side. My parents constantly get on my case whenever they hear my music leaking through my headphones. Something has to change. After conducting extensive research, we've concluded that exposure to excessively loud sounds or noises can quickly result in permanent hearing damage. For example, most portable audio devices today can transmit sounds equivalent to that of a rock concert. At this level, permanent hearing damage can occur in as little as 15 minutes. Taking all these factors into consideration, we've created the Aegis Pro, the industry's first wireless, high-performance headphone that will revolutionize auditory safety for you. To achieve our vision, we have incorporated cutting-edge, advanced wireless Bluetooth and active noise cancellation technologies. With Aegis Pro headphones, you can enjoy your listening freedom and mobility, while the active noise cancelling system reduces unwanted ambient sounds in noisy environments. Our headphones also have a state-of-the-art volume limiting and digital signal processing technology. Our digital decibel equalizer regulates and enhances the volume of the quietest and/or loudest music recordings, while the volume limiting function ensures that the audio, no matter how high the volume is cranked up, stays at safe levels. Not one, but two perfectly tuned speaker drivers, a tweeter for the high frequencies, and a mid-range hybrid bass driver are engineered to deliver studio quality performance. In addition, we have added LED indicators that will keep parents updated on their children's listening habits.
That ball was fast, right? But how fast was it really? Hi, this is Scouty, the world's first smart speed radar. But let me introduce myself as well. My name is Micha. I was a baseball pitcher and a member of the Slovenia national baseball team. So I spent most of my childhood days on the field. An explosive fastball can get a pitcher into college and help him enter the professional baseball arena. So it's extremely important that baseball pitchers be able to throw hard. Today, people need tons of equipment to record pitching speed and other parameters of the pitch, to write them down and record video. We believe players, parents, coaches and scouts deserve a simple and intuitive solution to be able to record performance and track progress every single day. That's why we created Scouty, the world's first smart speed radar. Scouty measures the speed of the ball and transfers the collected data to an app on your smartphone or a tablet. Within the app, you can select the type, location and result of the pitch. The app saves all the data so you can track your progress over time. You can even record a video of your pitching technique with pitch data overlaid and share your talent with friends, coaches and scouts.
For the last year, we've been working hard to make Scouty become a reality. Our award-winning design team designed Scouty from scratch with players' needs in mind. We created a small and robust device that is always with you, whether you're at home or on the road. We shrunk the entire radar technology into this little box. To achieve this, we worked closely with a number of radio frequency and signal processing experts. The result is a state-of-the-art Doppler radar solution that is as accurate and reliable as the best radars on the market. Scouty is a great training tool. So accurate and so reliable, you can use it for both trainings and games, or just playing catch in the backyard.
People are the most creative when they are children. But the tools they use to create have not changed for years.
Hi, I'm Rustem, and this is the RoboCube, and it will change how our kids learn about technology.
Introducing Robo Wunderkind, a revolutionary robotics kit for kids of all ages, which can be programmed and controlled with smartphones and tablets. RoboCubes can be attached from either side so you can make different robots.
2 years ago, I was studying computer science at the Vienna University of Technology, and I was building robots on Arduino platform. My friends were fascinated by what I was doing, and they also wanted to build their own robots, but there was no fun and simple way for them to get started. This is why I decided to create a robot that would be easy to build with code and would be accessible for everyone.
We're embedding different electronics, such as microcontrollers, sensors, motors, and even cameras into the cubes. This way, kids can easily build unique robots with different functions and in any shapes they can imagine.
I think it's really important that kids get introduced to technology at a very young age, and I think Robo is a really interesting platform for enabling these kinds of things that sort of makes the robotics technology accessible.
The biggest engineering challenge for our team was to create a connection system between the cubes. We've created a technology that will be easy to grasp even for a 5-year-old child, and it works perfectly. Just attach the cubes, build a robot, and connect it to your tablet via Bluetooth.
We've created an intuitive app that kids really love. You don't have to write any code to program the robot. Just drag and drop blocks in the app and press start. Teachers love the way kids learn by playing with the robot. That's why we've also developed a curriculum for teachers on how to use Robo Wunderkind in the classroom.
Robo introduces the younger students to authentic 21st century skills, and it targets an age group that sometimes doesn't really have that opportunity.
Children learn by playing and experimenting, and I can't think of a better thing to support than Robo, where students are having fun, but they are learning.
With our amazing robotics kit, we are teaching children 3 key skills: robotics, coding, and creative thinking. And there is one more thing. We've made an adapter that will make Robo Wunderkind compatible with your Legos. All of our backers on Kickstarter will receive these adapters so that you can bring your toys to a whole new level.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. You can also let us know what you thought in the comment section below.
Yeah.